Guys, Yojo here again. I made a few videos in the last few days, but they weren't good, so I just deleted them. Let me just move this. So I said I'll cold start the lawnmower right now. Just leave it out of the way. So yeah, it's been sitting for a week and a half. So here we are. Okay, so let me just get it out. The trimmer, the weed whacker, I'm not gonna start. I emptied the gas out because what's the point of just starting it? Like, you guys seen it many times, and I don't trim because it's broken. So I'm just gonna get a new one. I bet you this year. Alrighty. Now hopefully it will start in this grass right here. Last time it didn't, but it's easier, so might as well prime it. It's dusty, and yeah, so three. It'll probably start die, then I have to prime it again, start it back up. I bet you. Perfect. Alrighty. See, it always does that. I have no idea if it's brand new. Yeah, great mower. The gas, a little bit of the gas is a year old, and a little bit's like a week old. The oil's last year, so I'm surprised. Still started good. Yeah, so that's all. Any requests, like I said, please, guys. This is my 82nd video. I'm running out of requests and video ideas because you guys practically seen everything I have. But some of you guys work on engines and do a lot of different projects, so you're always up to something. You have like 200 videos, 300 videos and stuff. But you know, if you have anything to ask me to show on here, show on there, or start or do, or I don't know, anything, just let me know. Alright, again, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.